Chapter 6. Click and Touch. You already know about a mouse and its function. In this chapter, you will learn about the different types of mouse and what other work you can do with the mouse. Types of mouse. A mouse is a pointing device which is used to select an object. The most commonly used mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel in the middle. There are some more types of mouse. Optical mouse. It uses LED sensors to detect the movement of the mouse and moves the cursor accordingly. Wireless mouse. It connects to the computer without a wire. It is also called a codeless mouse. It has a chip which is connected to the computer. Gaming mouse. It is designed especially for the gamers and is above the standard mouse. It more buttons that are programmed according to the specifics of the game. Touchpad. It is an inbuilt mouse found generally in laptops. The pointer moves according to the fingers on the touch and the buttons work same as left and right button. Using a touchpad. A touchpad works the same way as the mouse on a desktop computer. Touchpad. Left, main, mouse button. Right mouse button. To move the pointer, use one finger and move it on the pointer control area. To scroll, use two fingers and move them up and down to move the page. To minimize, use three fingers and move down on the pointer control area. The buttons of the mouse work same as the ordinary mouse buttons. Fact zone. The first computer to come standard with the mouse was the Xerox PARC in 1970. Art integration. Collect names of different companies that make mouse. Also collect pictures of different types of mouse and paste in your notebook. Working with a mouse. When we press the left button, we call it left click or single click. Pressing the right button is called right click. Gentle pressing on any button is called single click. Pressing 2 times on the left button is called double click. Double click opens file in the computer. Right clicking an item shows a number of options. Drag. To move any item icon folder from one place to other with the mouse we use dragging and dropping. Step 1. Go to any item. Press left button of the mouse. Step 2. Move the mouse and keep the button pressed. This is called dragging. Step 3. Release the mouse button. The file will stop moving and will stay at the position you want. You can use this to move icons on the desktop. You can also move items to other folders. Selecting an item. To select any folder or icon, we move the pointer of the mouse to the desired folder and left-click it. It becomes blue or gets highlighted. Practical tip. Keep liquid items away from your mouse, otherwise it will stop working. We click the left button twice to open the folder. To select more than one item, we keep the left button pressed and move the mouse towards all the folders. But for this, all the folders must be together with each other. If we want to select 2 or more folders which are not together, we press the control key and move left-click the item we want to select. Keep the control key pressed. Fact zone. The shape of the mouse pointer changes as we perform different actions on the computer. In summary, mouse is an input device. There are a variety of mouses available nowadays. Touchpad is a mouse within the laptop and works on finger sensors. You can drag and drop with a mouse. You can also select multiple items with a mouse.